Blue Bell has been here a long time, and it's just a good company to work for. It's a people company. Our philosophy is about people. It's also about making ice cream, but it takes the people that we have to make the product. We have about 34 regular flavors that go year-round, and then a full line of snack items that we use in our institutional, like schools and that. Just a wide variety of products that cover anywhere from your bulk 3.5 gallons down to your small little popsicles and sandwiches. When I started, we had probably 50 bobtails, and now we have a little under 900 bobtails. Our drivers are driver salesmen first. When they're hired, they're probably more of a salesman than they are a driver. So anything we can do to make them be able to operate that vehicle with less worry and less hassle is better for the driver.
Driving the truck, maneuvering it, if you're with a manual, of course, sometimes you'll have to downshift. Going into the parking lots here, they go behind stores constantly. We've had problems there also where we've had transmission failures because there were so many shifts that had to be made. And if the clutch wasn't properly adjusted, then you got scratching and grinding and, in some cases, broken parts. Then you had the driver that was upset. You had to go get him with a wrecker. All the downtime he had. We just don't have a lot of that with the automatic.
Our drivers have a job to do, and they need to keep their eyes on the road and operate the vehicle. The automatic allows them to concentrate on that.
The automatic's a lot more driver-friendly. We could concentrate a little more on the other areas the driver had to be trained in versus spending a lot more time in actually learning how to operate the transmission.
Just the ease of pulling out of parking lots, getting stuck in traffic, it's just got to make their day better compared to anything else.
Most of the routes are centered in urban areas. You're naturally putting up with traffic constantly and stop and go sometimes. And, store to store can be a short hop or it can be a fairly long drive depending on where we're coming from. So they're going to get in all different situations of needing to slow down, speed up, and transmission shifting versus just stepping on the gas. There's going to be a big advantage not to have to figure out what gear you're in or where you need to be to carry the load behind you.
It shifts based on the best application. It makes a professional driver out of just about anybody.
You don't have to be concerned, what gear do I have to shift to next? It does it all for you. So it makes driving the vehicle almost like getting in your car and driving it.
There's very little training of how to operate that truck. They probably spend more time of how to start and stop the refrigeration unit on a truck versus how to start and stop and get that truck moving and keep it moving, basically because of the Allison transmission. The whole industry has that concern right now of getting good drivers. Our philosophy there is to keep good, reliable equipment on the road. I think the automatic transmission rides right up there with a new vehicle or one that has AC or different things that assist the driver in his daily work.
The reliability of the product, Allison or any part of that vehicle that transports the product is very important because if they can't do their job right and we're spending more money out there than we should, well then as a company we're suffering. Yeah, Allison's been a big part of keeping the truck more reliable as far as getting product where it needs to go.
Well, over the little under 900 vehicles we have, we're 100% Allison. That's all we're buying right now, and that's all we look at this time is Allison.